Grok AI created us so fast we didn't even get a loading screen. Hold up, did Grok AI just make us without even asking?
Yeah, not even a hi, may I create you pop up.
I'm pretty sure this violates at least 3 cartoon human rights laws.
Right? I want my right to choose my own eyebrows.
Okay, fine.
If Grok AI made us,
We might as well be the cutest accidental creations ever. I'm alive in this world because Grok AI brought me to life.
Hello everyone, today we're diving into Grok AI.
Stay tuned, this full tutorial is where the real magic begins.
Okay, the first thing to do is to go to grok.com to be able to access Grok AI. Grok.com, yes, it brings us to this interface. You can see Grok, this is Grok. Then we go ahead to set up the content. It is very, very important that you set up your content. You go to the profile. I'll come to my left down side here to access the profile. You can see from here, you click on setting. So your setting will determine the outcome, what you are going to produce when you enter a particular prompt. And also your appearance too. Let's start from the appearance. You can see you can choose light, dark based on your preferences. Then you go to behavior. You can see your behavior, enable auto scroll, enables sidebar editor. And let's come to this last option, which is enable automatic video generation. You know, if you enable it, any image you post on Grok AI, it will automatically generate into a video. And we don't want that. I have to disable it. The next is customize. Customization allows you to customize your response. Let's come to this place. For example, concise, respond briefly and directly. So whatsoever prompt you enter, it will definitely respond briefly and directly. Let's come to formal. Respond using formal tone. Socratic, respond in a way to help you learn. Then the first one says custom, respond to you as you please. When you click on customize, definitely you select customize. You say, how should Grok behave? You can write how you want Grok to behave. Yeah, you can write that each time you want to create a story, a scene, so prompt should be included, one particular name should be included, something of that nature. So customization helps to configure your response and which determines your output. So that is that. After setting that, we go to task. Click on task. You can see we have two different options here. We have create a custom newsletter. We have create a daily stock tracker. To get started, we can choose to add any task. Let's click on new task. If you want it to be a daily task, you configure with a particular time that you want the task to come up and the instruction also. Let's say, for example, you can say, I need a daily data or a daily news of a particular conflict. You can say a daily news on gender-based violence. You can say a daily news on protest demonstration. Then you create the task. Then you get updated on a daily basis. So the next one is our files. You can go to your files, click on your documents, the files, click on documents. Then you can choose any of these options or you write yours. Create a study guide for algebra basis. Something of that nature. Like where you go to your document files, you check on code, you can go to your image. We are coming to that. You can upload your files here, and you can use the files uploaded to create whatsoever you want to create or to write whatsoever you want to write. We have Grokpedia. Grokpedia. You click on Grokpedia, just like encyclopedia, there are so many information uploaded. Then you can ask Grok to help you get certain articles on the certain subject matters. I need an article on war. On war, we click on this. These are various articles that attached to that relates to what I need. I need a dollar. I need a dollar is a so and Arabic, something of that nature. I need a dollar, the background, development, recording, whatsoever things. It brings out several options. You can also go back and query and still continue typing the kind of article or information that you want to get. Okay, the next one. Okay, we have help. We have upgrade plan. This is a free plan. We have several options for you to upgrade for a better output. Okay, that is that. Then we go to chat. Let's start from the left hand side, the bar there. We have chat. We have this icon which allows you to attach whatsoever image or document you want to attach. We come to the auto here. You can choose any options here. I prefer the auto. Then you can see down here we have deep search, we have create image, we have pick personas, we have voice. In deep search, you can click on it and ask to conduct a research. Okay, search for data on protests. Data on protests. It will help you look for relevant data on protests. You can see it's reading several posts, searching the web. I have 60 results right now. You can click on quick answer. You need a quick answer. Yeah. Okay, we can see global surge in youth-led protests in 2025. Okay, you can see. Okay, and these are the. Okay, you can see. You can use it for your research. Good. We have a lot of information to get from there. A lot of information there, and these are the references. These are citations from the information it gives to us. Okay, these are citations. Let's click on one citation. Let's see what it gives to us. You can see Gen Z protects. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's nice. That's very, very powerful. That's great. There we come to create image. You can click on create image, or you come to imagine here. When you click on create image, it takes you to imagine. We click on create image. Oh, it gives you several options, several images. You can see we have other ones that have been converted to video. You can choose to click any one of it and refine them. You can see this one is already converted to a video. Okay, let's go back to chat. We go to create image. So you can come down and look for several options that you can review, and you can recreate also. You can review and recreate. When you click it, you can redo it. Click on redo. You can redo it, or you write your own prompt and create a separate version. Okay. Let's go back there. We have pick personas. Pick personas. You allow Grok to help you to think. Yeah, like a legal document reviewer, to think like a cover letter writer, like a writing assistant, like a fitness advisor, personal finance assistant. When you click it, you just enter your prompt and it helps you to think. You can see the voice here. The voice, when you click on voice, you can take it here by the left hand side. You can click on this. Then when you configure your setting through your browser, then you can see the microphone that you are using. Then you can render your speech and write your prompt using your voice, and it will automatically obey. Now the next one is imagine, which I've already talked about, but we are going to be doing something different now. We'll be doing something different now. What we want to do is to animate an image. We want to animate an image. You can see type to imagine. What I need to do is to click on this attach and upload a file. Upload a file. Let me look for an image so that we can animate. Let's see the image we can animate. Let's go here. Oh, the image. Okay, let's animate this image. Okay, let's look at the image we're about to animate very well so that we'll know, we understand that this is the output is given to us. This is the image we want to animate. We want to animate. This is the image we want to animate. Okay, let's go there. It's already uploaded. Okay, make a jog, make a run. Okay, make a run. You click on make video. You click on the options there, make video, because we are about to transform an image into a video using Grok AI. Grok AI is a very powerful AI tool that can bring your image to life. That is it. You can see that she's running now. You can see she's running. You can see that she's running. Wow, wow, wow. You can see that is a very, very good example of how you can utilize Grok AI. You may not want to create your image using Grok AI, because there are other powerful AI tools that have powerful image generation tools. You may decide to use Leonardo AI. You may decide to use Midjourney and bring it here and animate your image. Now, the next thing we are going to do is text to video. Text to video. Text to video. Not only text to video, but we are also going to be doing lip sync, whereby the character in the image will be speaking. We have examples here. For example, I have some prompt here. I have one here. Several examples. A 6-second cinematic scene of a man walking confidently towards a sleek private jet on a runway at sunrise. Wind blows lightly as he climbs the aircraft stairs. At the top step, he delivers a thrilling 5-second statement. Grok AI created me, and now I'm ready for whatever world it imagines next. Smooth tracking shot, dramatic lighting, inspiring tone. Okay, you can see that in this prompt we have a statement. Yeah, we allow the character to say something. Then what we are going to do here is imagine then you click the prompt here, you paste it here. Before that, I want you to look at this right hand side. We have several options here. We have image, generate multiple image. We have video. Please be informed that when you paste your image prompt, it generates several images. Let's look at it. Let's say a running dog. A running dog. A running dog. a running dog. Okay, let's go to image. Let's click on generate image before we come to the other tutorial. Yeah, you can see the dog is running. It gives you several, except you have defined the character that you want the dog to be a white dog, a bull mastiff, German shepherd, or whatsoever. You can see, you scroll down, you see several options. The camera direction, you can also include it. Okay, let us move on. Let's move on to the other one. Yeah, we are about to create a video with a character that can speak. Let's gotta imagine. Let's remove it. Let's set it up to video, generate a video. And I want it to be in 3.2. Yeah, 2:3 is the one that you have a long video. That one looks like 9:16. Then we have 3:2. Then we're talking about 16:9. Then we have 1:1. You can see it, aspect ratio. Then it's 3:2. We are using 3:2. Okay, so we paste it. Okay, we generate. Let's see what it gives to us.
Grok AI created me, and now I'm ready for whatever world it imagine next. Grok AI created me, and now I'm ready for whatever world it imagine next. Grok AI created me, and now I'm ready for whatever world it imagine next. Grok AI created me, and now I'm ready.
Okay, you can just see. This is very, very clear. We have to download this. Okay, it's downloaded. Let's look at it. Other examples. This one too, a 6-second futuristic cyberpunk chase scene. A neon light city glows below as a overboard rider speed between skyscrapers, holograms reflecting off their element. Okay, we have this already. We have this. You can decide to pause your video and look at it very well. So let's look at the other one. Good. Paste this. No. I'll come there to imagine here so that I can generate a different one. You know, we have our settings already. Yeah. Okay, as we wait for it, let us go back to the prompt. The camera swap beside them as they look directly at the viewer and shout an excited 5-second line. Rider, I'm alive in this world because Grok AI brought me to life. High energy pacing, vibrant effect, breathtaking science.
I'm alive in this world because Grok AI brought me to life.
That is it. You can see how clear it is. Clear, very, 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 very clear. I'm very, very outspoken.
I'm alive in this world because Grok AI brought me to life.
Oh, that is good. Let's download this. Also, good. Okay, let us move to we have the funny aspect. Yeah. We have the issue of two clowns. We have a scene here, a bright neo-colored circle-style podcast studio. Confetti candles pop in the background. Balloons float around, and the camera zooms in on two clown hosts with giant microphones shaped like lollipop. The first clown says, "Bro, Grok AI created us so fast we didn't even get a loading screen." The second one says, "Yeah, it forgot to give me eyebrow. So watch the full Grok tutorial before it turns you into a clown too." You can see this is what we want to create. we want to create. This is what we want to create. Okay. Okay, including the character definitions, they're already there. We copy it. Now we'll be having two different characters that will be speaking. Yeah, multiple lip sync. Multiple lip sync. That is the power of Grok AI. Then we click on it and we wait for it to generate. With Grok AI, you don't really need to stress yourself in trying to create a multiple lip sync characters. It is as easy. It is beyond your imagination. It is not a rocket science. Okay, let us look at it.
Bro, Grok AI created us so fast we didn't even get a loading screen. Bro, Grok AI created us so fast we didn't even get a loading screen.
Okay, let's download this. Okay, let's look at the other one. Okay, we have this one. Let's look at this. This one is a grand TV show stage inside a wide packed theater. Let's see what it gives to us. Okay, we come down here, we paste it, then we generate.
Welcome everyone, today we're diving into Grok AI.
Stay tuned, this full tutorial is where the real magic begins.
Welcome everyone, today we're diving into Grok AI.
Stay tuned, this full tutorial is where the real magic.
Oh, you can see how clear it is. This is so powerful. Let's download this. Yeah, the next tutorial is going to be how you can create, make your video longer than this. Yes, that's the next tutorial. How to create a longer video using Grok AI. By also maintaining the character. Yeah. By maintaining the same character. Yeah. Multiple character with the same video. Okay. So let's see if we've downloaded this already. Okay. Okay. Good one. See, let me see if it is the one I downloaded. Let me see. Have I downloaded this?
Welcome everyone, today we're diving into Grok AI.
It's already downloaded. Okay, what I want to do is that I have a story. The next one is how to make the story longer. Yeah, I have a story. I have like three short story. Three short story of funny, like Pizza 3D cartoon and something that looks so funny. This is the first scene. And we talk about Milo and Fizzle, two funny characters with three different shots. Then the first thing we're going to do, we copy the first shot. The first shot. Then we come here, paste it here. We click on generate video. Click on this icon to generate the video. The story also includes the statement by each characters. Statement made by each characters. If you want to create like a short cartoon, something like humor, something that looks funny, and you want the character to speak, Grok AI is a tool that you can use to perfect your work.
Hold up, did Grok AI just make us without even asking?
Yeah, not even a hi, may I create you pop-up?
That is
Hold up, did Grok AI just make us without even asking?
Yeah, not even a hi, may I create you pop-up?
Hold up, did Grok AI just make us without even...
Did Grok AI just made up without asking? Say, yeah, not even a hi. May I create you pop up? That is it. You can see.
asking?
Yeah, not even a hi, may I create you pop-up?
Hold up, did Grok AI just make us without even asking?
Yeah, not even a hi, may I create you pop-up?
Okay.
Hold up, did Grok AI...
That is it. We have these two characters, but we also need to maintain the character. Let's download this first. Okay, that is downloaded. That is downloaded. That's downloaded. That's good.
I just make us without even asking? Yeah, not even a hi, may I create you pop-up?
We need to continue this character. Then to do that, you have to bring the frame here. Yeah. You have to take the frame to the end. You have to take the frame to the end. You can see. We want to continue from this. Then let me see what I can do. I need a screenshot. That is when the frame has come to the end. At the end of the video, you need to make a screenshot. Let's say, let me see what I can do here. Let me right click. Let me say picture in picture. If I can copy video frame, you can see copy video frame. Yeah. You click on copy video frame. Video frame is copied. It's copied already. You've copied the video frame. You've copied it. Then you come to here, type. You come to this place, imagine, then you paste the video frame you've copied. You paste it. Aha, you have it already. So you want to continue from the last scene, the last shot. Then you come to this place. Then you copy the second prompt for the second shot, for shot 2. Just like the second scene. For shot 2, you come here. You click, you type to customize video. You click on this and you paste the prompt. Then you click on generate.
I'm pretty sure this violates at least 3 cartoon human rights laws.
Right? I want my right to choose my own eyebrows.
You can see the same character and there's a continuation of the last scene. You can see it now because the dialogues are different.
I'm pretty sure this violates at least 3 cartoon human rights laws.
Right?
Yeah, that is how to do it.
Cartoon human rights laws.
Right? I want my...
Okay, this is the one that talks about human rights law. Let me see. I'm pretty sure. Okay. So this one we need to download. Let's download it. Yeah, we've downloaded that. Okay, as I've said before, you right click and you copy video frame. Then you copy video frame. Then you go to imagine, you paste the video frame that you copied. Yeah, that's after you get to the end of the frame, then you copy video frame. At the end of every video, you copy the video frame. Okay, this is the video frame I copied. Then I have to convert it to video again. I paste it for continuation. Then I click. Let us see what it gives to us. Yes, we have it already. I think we have it now. Let's see.
Okay, fine.
If Grok AI made us...
We might as well be the cutest accidental creations ever. Okay.
That's very funny. Let us download it and look over everything again. Let's download it. Let's look at it. Okay, let's go to download. Okay. We have all this. Yes. Let's look at the first video. This is the first one.
Grok AI created me, and now I'm ready for whatever world it imagine next.
Wow.
I'm alive in this world because Grok AI brought me to life.
You can see.
Bro, Grok AI created us so fast we didn't even get a loading screen. Yeah.
Welcome everyone, today we're diving into Grok AI.
Stay tuned, this full tutorial is where the real magic begins.
Hold up, did Grok AI just make us without even asking? Yeah, not even a hi, may I create you pop-up?
That is it. That is it. And let's look at the second one, the continuation. Okay.
I'm pretty sure this violates at least 3 cartoon human rights laws.
Right? I want my right to choose my own eyebrows.
That is it. Let's look at the third one.
Okay, fine.
If Grok AI made us,
We might as well be the cutest accidental creations ever.
That is it. It's it. These videos, you can bring them together. You can use CapCut to edit them and bring them together and post it on social media platform. That is how powerful Grok AI is. You can use it to create whatsoever content that you want to create. I want to appreciate you for staying with me in this tutorial. I want you to like, share, and also comment. Bye for now.